Hi, I'm Suzie Housley, product owner and scientist with StormSensor. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of data in stormwater management. Of course, we all know that data is important, and in the age of smart sensing and IoT, data is everywhere, and it piles up fast. At StormSensor, we believe real insight doesn't just come from the amount of data that you have, but what you're actually able to do with all of that data. We believe that data tells a story, and we work really hard to interpret it. When we set up a network for a community, we're typically setting up between 20 and 30 sensors. All of those sensors are sending depth, temperature, and velocity data to our network every 5 minutes. But are all of those individual data points what managers are typically interested in? Usually not. What people want to know is how their system is functioning as a whole, where there's a problem, what that problem is, and when they need to take action. So what we focus on is piecing that story together for them using all of the data that we collect. We've made several real-time algorithms that will let users know in real time when events such as combined sewage overflows or illicit discharges are occurring within their system. We can also filter incoming raw data into some more useful metrics. For example, we can take incoming depth data and transform that into the available capacity of a stormwater system. That's a really helpful metric, especially in coastal systems where sea level rise is causing ocean water to start pushing inland into our stormwater infrastructure. We also know that different people want to interact with data in different ways depending on the job they have to do. We'll see this sometimes even within the same office. A manager might want a high-level view of how the system is functioning, and they're going to rely more on data tables and maps. Whereas an on-the-ground field manager, they might rely more on our mobile app and those real-time alerts so they know when and where they need to send crew managers out. And then, of course, there's always someone in every office who just wants to set up API access and get their hands on all the data for themselves. So what we've done is listened and worked really hard to develop data-driven tools for all these different types of users. Well, I hope this helped you understand a little bit more how we view and work with data here at StormSensor.